This logic puzzle here is super famous, among other things, from the movie Die Hard, and it's also very, very popular, especially because it has a surprisingly simple solution. The task is to measure out exactly 4 liters, even though you only have 2 containers that hold different amounts, namely 3 liters and 5 liters. So pause the video, try it out for yourself, and see if you can manage to get 4 liters by cleverly pouring back and forth. And then I'll show you in a moment, very simply, very structured, step by step, how you can do it. Okay, my solution, I hope you managed to figure it out yourself as well. Maybe in a different way, maybe faster, maybe slower. My solution says that we first fill, just as the little picture here suggests, the large bottle with 5 liters. Then we have 5 liters in the large one and nothing at all in the small one. So in the beginning, the whole thing looks like this. 5 liters full, 3 liter bottle empty. Then we pour the 5 liters into the 3 liter bottle and notice, of course, after 3 liters, that the 3 liter bottle is full, and so we are left with 2 liters in the large one, the 5 liter bottle. Then, and this is something you have to think of, we just empty the 3 liter bottle so that it's empty and we only have the 2 liters left in the 5 liter bottle. We then pour that over into the 3 liter bottle, which was empty, so we have 2 liters in the 3 liter bottle, and then we just completely refill the 5 liter bottle with 5 liters, which is also something you have to think of first. So then we have 2 liters in the 3 liter bottle and a full 5 liters in the now full 5 liter bottle. And now for the clever trick, we pour from the 5 liter bottle into the 3 liter bottle again. It can still take 1 more liter, so it's full with 3 liters, and because we could only pour out 1 liter, we are left with, just as we wanted, 4 liters in the 5 liter bottle. And that was exactly what the task wanted from us. I personally think that this is the easiest way to measure out 4 liters, but there are several others. So feel free to write your solution in the comments if you had a different one, and be sure to also check out these pouring puzzles or this IQ test up here, which also has to do with such containers and liquids.